Hello everyone, I am Maria Donna Ledesma from BEd 2B and student of Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus. So before we start in our discussion for today, we will have a short activity that's related to our topic. So are you ready? Okay, let's start. This activity are what called Bubble Fact. I will group you into 4 groups. You will just answer the questions to identify the letters to each circles. So are you ready? So let's start.
First question is, letter Z is the letter. If we rotate to the left, it can form a different letter. Next, this letter is from the last letter of Princess Joy's surname. Next, what is the first letter of name? Next, if Princess Jessica has 15 letters, what would be the 15th letter from the alphabet? The next is, 2U is called. Next, a framed figure contained by one line. Next, if Bebang's name starts with letter B, what is the first letter of Bebang's real name? Next, all you need is love. And the last one is, dear, dear, oh dear, dear.
So are you done? Okay, very good. So the answer is nanoword. So our topic for today is all about nanoword. So for today, I will discuss about the application of nanotechnology. So first is nanomedicine. So nanomedicine is the application of nanotechnology in medicine. It enables precise solutions for disease prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. Nanoparticles that can help deliver medication directly to cancer cells and minimizing damage to healthy tissue. So because of the applications of nanotechnology, some of the humans discover if how to make a medicine that can help to people to prevent diseases. So the nanoparticles can deliver directly to cancer cells to minimize damage. Environmental monitoring and clean-up nanotechnology. Enabled sensors and solutions are now able to detect and identify chemical or biological agents in the air, water, and soil with much higher sensitivity than ever before. So, because of the nanotechnology, they can see the chemical or viruses in the air, water, and soil with higher sensitivity than ever that can affect to the health of human. Next is clean drinking water. So, nanotechnology is providing solutions to help meet the need for clean, affordable drinking water. Nanotechnology-enabled filters provide rapid, low-cost removal of impurities in water. And also, they can have the solution to see if the water is clean and safe to drink it, and also to remove impurities in water. Next is flexible electronics. Flexible, bendable, foldable, rollable, and stretchable electronics are being integrated into a variety of applications in medicine, athletics, aerospace, and the Internet of Things. Future potential uses includes tablets, computers that can roll up to fit in your pocket or clothing and appliances with built-in flexible displays. In gadget, it can improve the electronics like tablet computer that can roll up to fit in your pocket. So cell phones that can fold or stretchable, and also appliances with built-in flexible displays. Next is infrastructure. Nanoscale sensors and devices may provide cost-effective continuous monitoring of the structural integrity and performance of bridge, tunnels, railways, parking structures, and pavement over time. Corrosion resistance, self-healing, nano-enabled paints can help bridge and concrete last longer. nanoscale sensors, it can help to improve also the establishment of facilities like roads, bridge, tunnels, etc. and concrete lasts longer. Next is energy operations. So, oil companies have developed novel methods for using nanomaterials to refine crude oil into high-value products. Nanomaterials are also reducing costs and improving production levels. Scientists have developed sensors that can quickly detect pipeline leaks for faster repairs and less waste. So, oil companies develop using nanomaterials that can refine crude oil into high-value products and can also reduce costs and improve production level. Next is transportation. Cars have nano-enabled stronger body parts, stain-resistant surfaces, rechargeable batteries, materials for the temperature control, better tires, high-efficiency sensors and electronics, and components for cleaners, exhaust, and extended range. So next is nano-enabled clothing. Stain-resistant pants, shirts, ties, and more are now widely available for 4Ks. There are also nano-enabled uniforms that are not only stain and dirt resistant, but protect against chemicals and germs. Because of the nano-enabled, clothes are also protect against chemicals and germs. And the last is food safety. Nanosensors in food packaging can measure pathogens and other contaminants in food, indicating if it's safe to eat. Nano-enabled packaging protects food from moisture and better traps and carbonation. Scientists have also developed sensors to measure pesticide levels in the field, allowing farmers to use less while still protecting their plants. Because of the nanosensors, it can indicate if the food are safe to eat. And nano-enabled in packaging, it can protect the food from moisture. And the scientists develop sensors to measure the levels of pesticide, allowing farmers to protect their plants.
And that's it. Thank you for listening. For our evaluation, we have an identification. Identify the following statements and write your answer in your notebook.